play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the T, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am IAMDACARDIA, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So in today's 5-minute video, I am going to reinstall this wig. So I already washed this wig, but yet and still it still has glue in it. So I'm gonna try to work around that. But let me give you the details. So she comes with 2 combs in the top. She comes with 1 in the middle and also 1 in the back. She comes with adjustable straps as well. So let's go ahead and let's put this wig on. I'm gonna show you guys step by step what I do. So let's get started.
Give me booty to push my flow, it feel like it's 2 of us. If I Latina, I